The Urban Development Corporation, in association with the Jamaica Information Service, presents Urban Scope.
It's almost that time of year again, and the grand celebration is just a few days away. Fireworks on the Waterfront has become a staple event to ring in the new year since it began in 1999. Put on by the Urban Development Corporation UDC, Fireworks on the Waterfront is part of the redevelopment plan for downtown Kingston. It also aims to increase entertainment and commercial activities in the area. Over the years, support for the event has been tremendous. Thousands of patrons gathering for an awesome experience.
It's my second time and I came this year to show my son what it is like to see the fireworks.
It's very special. I like the fireworks. I'm here for the first time. It's my daughter. It's really good.
First-time and returning vendors capitalizing on the economic value of the event.
I've been here 10 years and business have been good.
It's my first time here and it's very good.
And our sponsors, always proud to be associated with this family event. On Saturday, December 31, 2016, the UDC's Fireworks on the Waterfront promises to be bigger and better. Celebrations to ring in 2017 will include the recognition of UNESCO Declaration of Kingston as a creative music city. So come join us as we take you through Jamaica's musical evolution.
Come inside of me, I can feel I'm losing you, baby.
Thank you, Lord, for what you've done for a woman like me. Thank you, Lord, for what you're doing now.
The UDC promises to retain popular features of the event. Starting from as early as 2 p.m. is the Kiddies Fun Village, featuring a variety of rides, games, face painting, among others. There is also the Vending Village, an arcade of tents lining the streets with vendors. Their offerings range from jerk and fried chicken, soup, snacks, craft items, and jewelry. The tents are pre-registered, so contact the UDC now for your spot. At 6 p.m. is the Street Party, showcasing various genres of our music. There will be talent pieces and entertainment from popular discos and DJs. Then, at 9 p.m., the highly anticipated stage show will begin.
Everybody in here do this way. So we could do no linger then sway.
You no bad, not even stove, you're not fire. Better you go sing for a little church choir. Little bit of dread can't test a bad fire.
Your blessing is flowing like a river, Jordan River, sweet don't river. My blessing is flowing like a river, for the Lord is all our sinner.
So it's good as people can come down here, leave church or go before church and come down here and glorify God and glorify some gospel music.
An awesome feeling, whether enjoying it from front row or in the general audience, and not to mention the VIP experience. All this will end in a spectacular explosion of fireworks at midnight. Fireworks on the Waterfront offers great opportunity for sponsors, exposing their brands and products to television viewership of over 3 million locally in the region and the diaspora. Promotion also extends to the over 300,000 people on location. Call the Urban Development Corporation and find out how you can become a sponsor. Choices are platinum, gold, silver, and bronze, as well as corporate sponsors of cash or kind. The Urban Development Corporation, making a difference downtown through the facilitation of commerce and family entertainment. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 656-8031 or visit their website at udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston.
Urban Scope was brought to you by the Urban Development Corporation in association with the Jamaica Information Service.